Hello, dear friends, how are you? Today, many of the people in the world, and particularly in the countries like Pakistan, there is a malnourished people. The diet they are eating is not full of nutrients at all. It is not, a healthy diet. Maybe on the one hand, the things which are good in the health are a bit expensive, or even more relevant item thing is that people don't want to eat the healthy food. They like the food they like. They health is not their priority as for the food is concerned. Rather, it is their taste or their pleasure in eating. Somehow, a very simple, very easily available, a very important nutritional vegetable is what we are going to talk about here in our today's talk. And this very simple vegetable is called kale. Kale is something having huge amount of benefits upon our health. Kale, lots and lots of benefits on our health at all. Some of these are very important health benefits which are five in number. Then there are another highly important nutritional benefits which are four in number. Highly important nutritional benefits. And at the end of our talk, there are three other important benefits. All these 5 plus 4 plus 3 mean 12 points, which are, I think, everyone else should know, need to know, and need to benefit from. To begin with the health benefits. The first health benefit of it is that it is rich in antioxidants. Kale contains a wealth of antioxidants, including vitamin C, including vitamin E, including beta carotene, and other carotenoids, which help protect cells from damage. So, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, and other carotenoids, these are, that is really very important benefit indeed. And the second important health benefit of eating the kale is anti-inflammatory effects. It reduces the inflammation in the body, and we need to know that it is the inflammation actually which is responsible for the diseases in any part of the body. So I think that reducing, minimizing the inflammation, that is the basic thing, the number one thing which is needed here. If at all we want to stay healthy, and kale is anti-inflammatory effects which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Yes, it reduces a lot the risk of chronic diseases because it is anti-inflammatory. Now, the third important benefit, health benefit, is called, because it does support eye health. The high levels of lutein and other certain chemicals, certain properties in kale make it excellent food in the eye health and reducing the risk of eye-related macular degeneration. Because with the passage of age and time, every body part is getting weaker, so are our eyes as well. At the back of the eyeball, there is something which is called macular. And the better is the condition of the macular, the better is the condition of our eyesight. And it does help us a lot in making our macular condition quite good. That is how it does support the eye health. The fourth important benefit is it may help lower cholesterol. Yes, it may help lower cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, the LDL. Kale's soluble fiber, bile, and binding properties and antioxidants may contribute to lower the LDL, which is the bad cholesterol. So it does lower the LDL or the bad cholesterol as well. The fifth important benefit, which is called the health benefit, that is it does support a lot our bone health. Our bones are better, then our body is better as well, because the bones are skeleton. So kale is rich in calcium, vitamin K, and certain other important nutrients which are essential for maintaining strong bones. So it does help a lot in making our bones strong enough. These are the 5 important health benefits. Now we are going to talk about the nutritional values or the nutritional benefits of eating kale. These are 4 in number. First of all, it is high in vitamins and high in minerals as well. Kale is an excellent source of vitamins A, vitamin C, and vitamin K as well, plus lots of important minerals like calcium, like iron, like potassium as well. So kale is something very important. Now the second important nutritional benefit, that it is rich in fiber. Kale contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, supporting healthy digestion, satiety, and blood sugar control. On the one hand, fiber is a very important ingredient of, must be a part of our diet, daily diet. There are soluble fibers which can be sold. There are insoluble fibers, and which actually makes our digestion system very good enough, and it does create satiety. Mean without much of the eating, we do feel satisfied. And this is the second important nutritional benefit. The third one is low in calories. Kale is extremely low in calories, making it an excellent addition to weight management diet, because it contains very little calories. The fourth and the last important nutritional benefit of the kale is it does supports the healthy gut bacteria. Yes, it does supports the healthy gut bacteria. Kale's probiotic fiber helps feed beneficial gut bacteria, promoting balanced gut microbiome. Simply speaking, it is a lot more important as far our digestion system is concerned, as far our gut health is concerned, because it does support the healthy bacteria. Healthy bacteria. The way there is a bad cholesterol and the good cholesterol as well, in the same manner, there is a bad bacteria, there is a good bacteria, and kale eating supports our good bacteria in the gut. Now there are certain other benefits as well. These are three in number. Number one, it supports detoxification. Kale's sulfur compounds and kale's antioxidants may aid in removal of toxins from the body, because since it does contain the sulfur compounds and it does contain the antioxidants as well, which actually help us a lot in removing the toxins from the body, and it detoxifies us. The second important benefit is it may help manage blood sugar. Kale's fiber and antioxidants may contribute to improved insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Those who are suffering from the diabetes, kale eating is highly beneficial. The third additional or extra or other benefit of eating the kale is it supports our immune system. It does support a lot our immune function. Kale's vitamin C, beta carotene, and other antioxidants help support immune function and reduce the severity of illness. Yes, eating kale helps us a lot in strengthening our immune system. On the one hand, it prevents from getting sick. On the other hand, if at all somebody does fall in any sort of disease, it helps us a lot in recovering from that particular disease. So, keeping in view the extremely important health beneficials, highly important nutritional benefits, and really good as far the other benefits are concerned, I think that the eating kale should be a regular, it should be a regular part of the diet, because it makes us a healthy person, it keeps us a healthy person in such a little cost. Eating it raw as a salad, it's even more beneficial. That is all from me today. Thank you very much.